Good morning, my dear students. Today we're going to study about lesson number 15, questions. The author of the lesson is Julia Donaldson. As it is, the name is questions. Here, the author asks us many questions. Like the first, it asks there are four stanzas. She explains what are the things she would like to explain to us. The first stanza we study about the origin of the universe, and the second stanza we discuss on the mystery of the prehistoric era, and the third stanza we discuss the topic the mystery of the evolution of the man, and the last stanza we discuss about the mystery of our life. In this fourth stanza, the Julia Donaldson asks us just four WH question word like how, why, when, who. These which are the four questions she asked to us: how, why, when, who. In the first stanza, the narrator really wanted to know the how the time has started. We all know, we don't know, we have a confusion that there was a big bang theory we know about when we are studying in the school, and we too don't know there are many calculations were going on how the universe created, who created the universe, who created the sun, the earth, moon and galaxies and all the human beings. Still now there each religion says their own opinions, but no, still as a human being we have a still confusion that how the world has created, how the universe has come. This she explains in the first stanza. And the second stanza, the author explains about the living of about, for example, such lone creatures, the such as in olden days we may seen about or we may studied about the dinosaurs. We have seen the movie like Jurassic Park and all. Yeah, while you see the such a huge and big creatures, suddenly in a day after, suddenly that one day they have disappeared. Even we too don't know where are they, how from there they come, where they are gone, how they have they disappear from this much powerful creation. About that we are discussing on our second stanza. Now we have two more stanza, the third stanza and fourth stanza. Now we third stanza we discover or we discuss the topic about the human being. As we all know that in all history says that monkey was considered as our ancestors. From there, if we speak about the history of human being, we could say that Neanderthal and Cro-Magnon, Homo sapiens were the evolution of man. From there, every year, every hundreds of thousands of years cross, now we have reached in this shape as a human being. So the starting process to till reach here, we have crossed a milestone many years, and there were many changes happened in the size and shape of the human being. And till we don't know who created the universe, the same confusion still remains that who was the first person, who was the first person. Each religion says their own, and Bible says that Adam and how Eve were the first one. Other religion says other people members. So that we don't know that whoever it is. Anyway, the human being now presently they are able, they are capable, they have all the abilities that they are able to lead the life. They are able to control the world. In olden days it was not like that. Now the science is developed, medicine developed, all the things are same. The first stanza we discuss and the topic that the mystery of life. That we know that once we born, we have to die, or we may go. But still, there is a mystery behind us. As it is, everyone says that this is a confusion from we all, from where we have come, the same time where all of us are going. Where we have come or where we go when we die. The question still remains, once we die, where we go? We don't know. This is a question, and all the scientists, everybody behind this question, but nobody is able to give the exact answer for this question. This is the fourth stanza. The author discuss about that the mystery of life. And he asked one more question to us. Who is the in charge of the world? Or who is the in charge of our life? And who is in charge of this box? Which box? That is mystery box. There are many mysteries behind us. As we say that, how the universe formed, first mystery. Second mystery, what happened to the dinosaurs. And the third history, how the human became so powerful. And the fourth history, after die, where we go. There is no answer for these such questions. That's by saying that the author stopped this, where we have come, where we are going, and the time goes every day, time goes, day passes, but still we don't know what to come, what is next. This is the only thing author explained in this lesson, and asking with the 4 questions. And the questions, we are ending up this story. Tomorrow I'll see you with next topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.